In today's market, business strategy and technology strategy are closely related. Technology alone can shape the culture and competitiveness of a company. Many businesses struggle to grow because they are hindered by old systems and processes that no longer meet the needs of their employees, partners, or customers. Epicor Enterprise Resource Planning software is easy to use and designed for today's manufacturers to position themselves for profitability and productivity. With real-time visibility into all areas of your business, from the shop floor to the top floor, you can resolve issues faster and spot previously hidden opportunities. By connecting every aspect of your business, Epicor ERP offers organizations the essential tools needed to create and maintain a single version of the truth. Epicor ERP can help you plan production runs, balance and distribute work, collaborate with suppliers, and respond to shifting demand. It enables leaders to make solid, fact-based, actionable decisions thanks to robust built-in analytics. Epicor ERP also helps manufacturers simplify complex challenges of expanding their footprint and gaining market share because it is built on a technology platform designed to support your business as it grows and changes. With a deep understanding of the manufacturing industry, Epicor spurs growth while managing complexity. The result is a powerful solution that frees your resources so you can grow your business. To learn more about how Epicor ERP can help your manufacturing business grow, check out epicor.com.